Every year, I load up my car with handmade soaps, body oils, and a little bit of my soul and head to the State Fair of Texas. This isn't just about selling products. It's about selling 25 years of work with people, face to face. Hi, I'm Susan of Susan Soaps and More, and I have been handcrafting natural soaps and skincare products for over 25 years. And exhibiting at the Texas State Fair is one of the few places that I can actually connect face-to-face with my customers or meet potential new customers. So let me take you behind the scenes as I show you how we prepare our products and get ready for the fair. Come on, let's go. Every product I pack has a purpose. Some soothe, some energize, some remind people to slow down, but obviously we make more of some products than others. The first step in planning for the Texas State Fair, and really the next 5 months, is to take a look at what sold last year. You may ask, why 5 months? Because the State Fair is just the start of our busy season. After the fair is Black Friday and then Christmas. The Fort Worth Stock Show is our other big show, and it opens mid-January. We round out our busy season with taking product down to the Houston Livestock Show somewhere around the end of February. So yes, planning is essential, particularly when you make a product like soap that takes at least 4 weeks to cure. One of our top products at the fair is our body oils, especially our lavender sage body oil. This is one of our most popular scents across our whole product line. We make it in body oil, soap, and salt glow. I think it's because it combines the soothing qualities of lavender with the grounding earthiness of patchouli and overall health benefits of clary sage. Of course, we do sell a lot of soap at the fair. Our Walk in the Woods soap and our eucalyptus and tea tree are two of our best sellers there. Both of these tend to be very popular with men. The Walk in the Woods soap is a smooth soap with essential oils of lavender, patchouli, and oak moss. It has cocoa butter in it as well, so it's great for dry skin. And actually, a number of women really like this scent too, including myself. You can shower with our Walk in the Woods soap and feel like you just took a stroll through a forest. The eucalyptus and tea tree soap, on the other hand, is our most exfoliating soap. It has poppy seeds embedded in it, so you can easily exfoliate your skin anytime you bathe with it. And of course, the essential oils of eucalyptus and tea tree have great benefits for both respiratory issues, as well as tea tree is antifungal and antiviral. Our customers love the fact that our products are handmade and all natural, and when we do the fair, they get to meet the maker behind the product. They also love the natural scents of our products that the essential oils provide, and then of course they love how good their skin feels when they actually use our products. Getting ready for a 3-week event like this is a lot of work and can create a lot of stress. Of course, I'm always using my face serum when starting my day, but these days I'm also reaching for my rose and sandalwood QBOs a lot more to help de-stress. Sometimes simply taking a minute to appreciate my flowers as I walk back and forth between my computer in the house and product packing in the soap shop helps me create a tiny moment of calm. I want my booth to feel like a little haven of peace there in the State Fair. The State Fair is fun, exciting, loud, noisy, but sometimes you just want to be able to have a tiny bit of calm there. And I want my booth, people to step into my booth and be able to feel that when you're at the State Fair. A lot of people say that they can smell our products from several booths away. And I love that the scents of our products are pulling people in and welcoming them as they start coming down towards our booth. We don't believe in hard sell pushy tactics. We just try to let our products speak for themselves, and if our customers have any questions, we've got lots of samples and ways they can smell and try our products and experience them. We also always have some great specials at the State Fair. We have a gift basket that we give away. All you have to do is sign up with your email. So if you are coming to the State Fair, I'd love for you to stop by our booth. I would love to meet you. And if you aren't able to make it to the State Fair, you can certainly find out more about us online on our website. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you soon. Take care. There is something deeply special about seeing somebody smell a bar of soap, close their eyes, and smile. That's why I keep doing this. One bar, one booth, one fair at a time.